Hi folks, my name is Marcel and I have the honor to offer this training on TrustZone security to you in collaboration with hardwear.io Netherlands 2025. And I wanted to use this opportunity to give you a bit of context about this training, because this is really the training that I would have wanted when I was starting out in TrustZone security back in 2016, when I started working on what eventually became, well, this pile of paper here, which is my dissertation or doctoral thesis on the very same topic. So if you're just starting out, want to brush up your understanding or have a smooth introduction to the common design and implementation flaws in modern TrustZone-based TEEs, I believe this training has a great mix of theory and practice for you. And the cool thing is that besides the fundamentals, the highlights of this training are heavily inspired by my own publicly available and peer-reviewed research. For instance, we will learn from the mistakes Huawei and other vendors made when they were introducing TEEs in their mobile phones. We will also cover a vulnerability pattern we dubbed global confusion, and that has been haunting TrustZone implementations for more than a decade now, and I will share how we were able to find 14 zero days in 2023, including the struggle to earn about 20K in bug bounty for those bugs. We will also take a glimpse at the state of the art in fuzzing research, looking at how to fuzz proprietary and hardware entangled software that you don't have full emulation support for. So if this training sparks your interest, you can just head over to the hardwear.io website, and down here under the training section, you will find the hands-on TrustZone TE security training, where you can find all the details about my training. So I took trainings at hardwear.io myself, and I love the fact that I can just focus on a topic for 3 consecutive days without interruption, having guidance and expertise around me as I go through the material in my own pace. And I can just highly recommend this to anyone. So with that being said, I'd be happy to see you in Amsterdam, and have a wonderful day.